sees 1 foot or less. Widespread dense fog. Showers likely this evening. A chance of thunderstorms until early morning. A chance of showers after midnight. Visibility 1 nautical mile.
National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Sussex County, Warren County, until 8:15 p.m. At 4:16 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar was showing thunderstorms across the warned area. These thunderstorms were producing heavy rain. 1 to 3 inches per hour can't be expected with the most intense storms. This amount of rain in a 1-hour time frame will lead to flooding. Some of the flooding will develop quickly. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Hepatskong, Hackettstown, Stanhope, Hope, Great Meadows, Vienna, Columbia, Blairstown, and Dover. Alameda, Panther Valley, and Greendale. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Sussex, and Warren.